Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up hotkeys on Webull. Hotkeys let you trigger trading actions and platform tools with quick keyboard combinations, saving time and improving consistency. Here's exactly how to turn them on and tailor them to your workflow. First, open the Webull desktop app on your computer. After it loads and your workspace appears, we'll head straight to Settings. Look to the bottom left corner of the platform for the gear icon labeled Settings. Click Settings to open the Preferences window. In the menu, find and select Hotkeys. The Hotkeys page lists common actions you can bind to the keyboard and shows any current assignments. Click in the shortcut field next to an action, then press the key combination you want to use, such as Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on macOS. Use modifier keys like Ctrl, Alt, Shift, or Command to avoid conflicts with standard typing. If a combination is already taken or reserved by your operating system, choose a different one. Keep combinations memorable and group by purpose, maybe S for sell, B for buy, C for cancel, so your muscle memory builds quickly. Review each action's description so you know exactly what it will trigger, especially for order-related commands like buy market, sell market, cancel all, or flatten. For anything that sends an order, consider enabling confirmation prompts in your trading settings, so a quick tap doesn't place unintended trades. Some versions save changes automatically as you assign them. If you see an apply or save option, use it to lock in your choices. When your shortcuts are set, take a minute to test them in a safe environment. Use Webull's paper trading mode or a watch list symbol with no intention to trade, and verify that each hotkey behaves as expected on the active widget or chart. Keep your cursor focused on the panel you intend to control, since many hotkeys act on the currently selected window. If you ever want to clear or change a shortcut, return to the same hotkeys page and edit the field again. A simple printed or on-screen cheat sheet can help during your first sessions. That's it. You opened Webull Desktop, went into Settings, selected Hotkeys, and assigned the shortcuts that fit your style. Enjoy faster, more confident navigation and execution with your new hotkeys.